All right, so these joist jacks, these go from what, 11 inches to 16 inches. So it's good for using, you know, in a crawl space or something. And it says 11,023 pound capacity. That's pretty impressive. So let's just go install these under the house real quick. Okay, show you what I got here. So we got a crawl space. This is a floor joist that needs some extra support. We've got a solid base under this, so we've got some brick under this right now. And we're just going to tighten this thing up. We can do it by hand or use the little metal rods to do it either way. We're just going to tighten it up until it snugs under this joist. Or joist? How do you say that? I'm going to straighten it out a little bit. Okay, we're pretty snug under there. And then I'm going to take this rod and just give her a couple little twists here. And we're not trying to like snap this thing, we're just trying to support it. So there we go. That's snug. And then I'll run this nut down and use it as a lock nut. We'll probably put a wrench on that to tighten it up. But we have now supported this, and because this lock nut's here, it's not going to slowly unwind itself and fall down. So good way to use this in a cellar like this. It just needs a little support under these floor joists. Looking good. Yep, so that's all I know about these joist jacks. You put them under a joist and jack that joist. Looks good.